So in this video, we're going to start solving problems based on trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. Alright, so here we've got a problem to start off with. It says, prove that sine 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta equals tan theta. So now all we have to do is just use the formulas that we've got, the formulas on the trigonometric ratios, the trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. So here we've got sine 2 theta, which is a multiple angle. So sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta. If you're wondering how this came about, well, you need to go back to one of the previous videos of this topic in which there is a clear formula. Cos 2 theta equals 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if minus 1 comes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. So it becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta will be equal to 2 cos square theta. So that's what we've written here. And I'm sure you know sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. That's a straight formula. So now what is this going to be? We just have to break this down, 1 cos theta and 1 cos theta gets cancelled. Alright, so we've got 2 and 2 also gets cancelled. So sine theta and 1 cos theta remains here. So sine theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. So see, it's that simple. One of the most basic problems based on trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. Let's quickly solve another one. Alright, so we've got ourselves another problem here which reads like this. It says prove that, of course, prove that is going to be the main thing. Prove that 1 plus sine 2 theta plus cosine of 2 theta divided by 1 plus sine 2 theta minus cosine of 2 theta equals cotangent of theta. That's what we have to prove. So what we're going to do to start off this problem is, now since there is 1 plus sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta, well, sine 2 theta doesn't really have any use with 1, but cos 2 theta has a use. So 1 plus, just like this, 1 plus cos 2 theta was 2 cos square theta. So here we are grouping that. 1 plus cos 2 theta, we are grouping it. We are writing the sine 2 theta separately, and likewise we write 1 minus cos 2 theta also here, because that also has a formula eventually. So 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sine 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta, as you can see from here, is going to be 2 cos square theta plus sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is nothing but, here is the other formula, it will be cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So just rearrange this, get cos theta to the right hand side, becomes 1 minus cos 2 theta. This comes to the left hand side, becomes 2 sine square theta. So 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta. And again, we've got sine 2 theta. So it's going to be 2 sine theta cos theta. Now considering these two terms, you can clearly notice that 2 cos theta is common in both the terms. So what we've got here is 2 cos theta, take it outside. We've got cos theta plus sine theta divided by, in this case it is 2 sine theta. So take out 2 sine theta, we've got sine theta plus cos theta. So these both are same. So these two gets cancelled and 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Cos theta by sine theta, nothing but cot theta. So therefore we proved that 1 plus sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus sine 2 theta minus cos 2 theta equals to cot theta. All you had to know to solve these problems was a couple of formulas from one of the previous videos. So what I'm going to again tell you is that do get yourself really familiar with all the formulas so that you can use them without wasting a lot of time. So before we conclude this video, let me quickly solve another problem. Alright, so here we've got another problem which reads like this. Prove that cosine of 2 theta divided by 1 plus sine 2 theta equals tangent of pi by 4 minus theta. So that's what we're going to prove now. So to start off with, we are going to write cos 2 theta in terms of sine and sine 2 theta in terms of cos. You'll know the reasons why. Cos 2 theta, we can write it as sine of pi by 2 minus 2 theta, because sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, right? So that's why we write that. And divided by 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Again, cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but sine theta. So here we have it. And the next step is going to be Now this is, if you notice carefully, let's consider this as just sine A. This is sine 2 theta. Let's consider this as sine theta or sine A. Sine A is nothing but 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2, right? So we're going to write 2 sine A by 2. This whole angle divided by 2. So when you divide it by 2, you're going to eventually divide these two individually. So pi by 2 divided by 2 is nothing but pi by 4. And 2 theta divided by 2 is just theta. So 2 sine of pi by 4 minus theta. So it's 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2. Cos is also pi by 4 minus theta. And then here, this is of the form 1 plus cos theta, right? So 1 plus cos A. So 1 plus cos A is nothing but 2 cos square A by 2. So here it is. If it is cos 2 theta, it's going to be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Or let's go back to this one. 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? 1 plus cos 2 theta, it is 2 cos square theta. But in this case, it is just 1 plus cos theta. Here it is 1 plus cos theta, and theta we're considering is the pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So that's definitely going to be 2 cos square theta by 2. So in this case, it will be 2 cos square, this angle divided by 2. It's going to be pi by 4 minus theta, right? So one of this is going to get cancelled. Cos pi by 4 and one of the cos is going to get cancelled. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So sine of pi by 4 minus theta divided by cos of pi by 4 minus theta equals tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So now I'm sure you got why we had to convert cos into sine and sine into cos, because sine by cos is going to give you tan. And why using this formula particularly? Because we needed that exactly. So that's why we use that. So before I conclude this video, let me quickly mention those formulas here for your reference. I didn't want to, make it really easy for you by writing the formulas while we were solving the problems. I just wanted you to really recall, but here it is. Anyways, we've got sine A is equal to 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2. It is no different from sine 2A. It's just that, the 2 goes here. It's like that. And then we have 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A divided by 2. Alright, so these are the formulas. One of the formulas, a couple of the formulas, a lot of them used in this video to solve a lot of problems. So this ends this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles.